Hello and welcome back to Crafts Walker. Today we are going to learn how to make an origami dolphin. To make dolphin, we need few basic material. Piece of origami paper, scissor and pencil. Let's start making it. First of all, fold the paper diagonally this way and put finger pressure and give a proper crease. Once folding is done, open the paper and fold it until the center crease line from both ends. Make proper crease so it will help you for further folding. Now open the folding, you can see so many creases. Now similarly you have to fold it from the opposite side until the center line crease. Now open the folding again and you have to fold it diagonally again this paper. Make proper crease. Now hold it from both the corner and fold the paper this way. Flatten it properly using finger. Once folding is done, now you have to fold this paper from the center like this. Now open the folding and fold the down part till the center line. Now fold it again the top part of the folding like this. You can see it look like a beak. Now the corner you can see, you have to fold both the corner slightly. Again fold the top part reverse way. Now you have to fold this paper from the center. Make proper crease again. Now you can see this wing. We are going to fold this wing this way. The other end you have to put your thumb inside and flatten this paper folding this manner. Now we have to make a tail. First of all, fold this way and similarly you have to fold it from the opposite side. Once folding is done, open the folding and make a slit little. After that, separate the slit this way, one up and one down. Now take pencil and create an eye for the dolphin. Here your beautiful dolphin is ready. Similarly, you can make it in different color as well as sizes. If you are a beginner, I will suggest you to use big paper. Hope you have liked my video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe my channel and comment below.